Cohen and twin Stewart. One reason why twins might not look alike is that they have different fathers. This can happen to fraternal twins when a woman's eggs are fertilized by sperm from different men at different times. It's called superfecundation or heteropaternal superfecundation. Paternity testing can reveal who the biological fathers are. Sometimes fertility treatments can cause superfecundation too. For example, Cohen and twin Stewart, who are twins from the Netherlands, were born through IVF in the lab. There was a mix-up where equipment was used twice and another man's sperm was mixed with the father's. DNA tests confirmed that the biological father of one twin was Mr. Stewart, while the other was a black man from Aruba. Under Dutch law, the Stewarts were deemed the parents of both boys, and the black man did not make any legal claim to see his son. According to the National Human Genome Research Institute, not all twins look identical due to two different types of twins, monozygotic and dizygotic. Monozygotic twins are Human Genome Research Institute. Not all twins look identical due to two different types of twins, monozygotic and dizygotic. Monozygotic twins are also known as identical twins, which means they originate from the same embryo. This embryo divides after fertilization, resulting in twins with 100% identical genes because they come from the same DNA. Number 2. Marsha and